friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple game using Python. In today's video we will be making this game. So are you ready to play? Then type yes. What is best programming language? Answer is Python. What is 2 plus 8 plus 9 minus 1? Answer is 18. What is better, 1050 Ti or 1060 graphic card? Answer is 1050 Ti. Click enter. See friends, at last it is showing thank you for playing. You got question correct and it is showing your marks and goodbye. So let's see how to make this game. For making that game, open your Python program in laptop or PC. After opening that, click on file, new file. After you will see this type of interface. After opening this, you must save this file. For saving that file, click on file and save as. From here you select where do you want to save this file. I want to save this file in local disk F. Here you must type the file name. I will type simple game, then click on enter. See friends, here our file is been saved. So let's make this game. For making that game, first type here print bracket, again this, again here hello comma welcome to trivia. After writing this, leave second line and go to third line. In third line, here you must write answer is equals to input bracket this. Here it will ask you, are you ready to play? Then here again one more bracket. Then here you have two options, yes or no. Close the bracket. This again close that bracket. Then in next line, here you write score is equals to 0. In next line, here we will ask, here we will write total underscore q is equals to 1. Here this total underscore q is total number of questions 1. In this video I will show only making one question. By that way you can make how many questions you want. So let's see. Leave 6th line and go to 7th line. In 7th line, here you write if answer dot lower two brackets curly bracket. Sorry friends, it is not curly, it is round bracket, two round bracket. If answer dot lower is equals to brackets is equals to yes, then this, then click on enter. Then you will go to 8th line. After in 8th line you must write print input bracket, here 1. What is 1? Here friends, here will not write print, here will write answer is equals to input bracket, here 1. Here what is 1? 1 is question number 1. Here I'll write what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 minus 3. Here question mark. Friends, here we will write question mark. Then this, again close the bracket. Here if answer dot lower bracket is equals to 3 is equals to 3, print, here not print, here score plus is equals to 1. Here you will get your score. Here type print bracket correct this, again bracket. Here down of if you must go and type else. Else means otherwise. Else print bracket incorrect. Then next leave 2 line and go to 16th line. And 16th line here you will type print bracket thank you for playing. You got you got. Here we will write this questions correct. Again this, close the bracket. After writing this, click on enter. Then here write mark is equals to bracket score slash total underscore q, close the bracket. Star, here what is star? Star is symbol of multiplication. Then next click on enter. Then leave that line. Here type print bracket mark print this. Here m will be capital mark these two dots, again this comma mark. Here notice friends, here one m is here, this m is capital and this m is small. So click on enter. Here type print bracket this goodbye. The next line, here you type print bracket have a nice day. So let's run this program friends. For running the program, key is F5, or you can see here option is of run. Click on that run module, click on OK. See here it will show hello, welcome to trivia, are you ready to play? Then type yes. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 3? Answer is 3. And then click on enter. See here it is showing correct. Thank you for playing, your got questions correct, and marks goodbye, have a nice day. So friends, in this way you can make how many questions you want. So friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, because I will bring daily these types of videos by which you will learn Python very easily. Python is very easy language. Do not fear from Python. So bye friends, have a nice day.